Hey budding business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some small business ideas. One of the hardest things that I see a lot of people struggling with is finding the right niche or the right product to sell when starting a business. Hopefully this video will help you to decide on what to sell and how to get your business started. Whenever I'm researching a product to sell, I always love to see examples. So in this video, I'm not only going to just be talking to you guys, we're going to be actually looking at examples and existing businesses for inspiration. The majority of these small business ideas that I'm going to be talking to you guys about today can even cost you under $100 to actually get started. I personally started my small business with $100, and most of these recommendations in this video, you can also start with $100. If you're new to my channel, I have a step-by-step playlist on my YouTube channel of how to set up your first e-commerce business. I show you guys how to create your website for free, $0 monthly, and so many more business hacks. Before we get started with this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to make YouTube videos like this for you guys. I'm committed to providing you with free e-commerce education, so I am happy to have you guys here on my channel. This video is going to be geared to those that are interested in starting an inventory-based e-commerce business. This is the business model that I use since I ship all my inventory myself. Although if you're interested in starting off dropshipping, that's fine too, and I have videos about that on my YouTube channel. With these small business ideas that I'm going to be showing you guys today, you guys do not have to show your face when marketing or promoting these businesses. You guys know I grew my six-figure earning online businesses without even showing my face. So let's get right into this video. So if you guys have watched my other videos, you guys know this. It's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. So the more content that you can create with a certain product, the more sales and success you'll have with your business. I always recommend never trying to mimic a business, but to be inspired by them. You can put your own spin on things as long as you're not copying someone else blatantly. And if you're thinking that there's a lot of people doing something, there's always something that you can do differently. So with your small business, there's two different routes you can take. You can source and resell products, or you can hand make products. If you're planning on sourcing your own products for your small business, you are either going to utilize Alibaba or AliExpress. Alibaba is better for buying in bulk. And if you're going to hand make your products, you're going to most likely get your inventory, beginning inventory, on Amazon because it comes fast and you're able to get supplies at a good price on Amazon. And then maybe in the future, once it grows, you'll start sourcing your inventory from Alibaba. So if you choose to hand make your own products, there's amazing education all across YouTube for all different niche types. If you want to learn how to hand make a certain item like lip gloss, for example, you can just type in handmade small business lip gloss or whatever you choose to do your business on. And I promise with every single niche, there's so many videos of how to make the lip gloss. And a lot of times they list the ingredients and everything. So there's just so much information across YouTube in that regard. Then once you are ready to order the supplies, for example, if you wanted to open a lip gloss business, just for an example, you could just type in lip gloss business, and all the products in the YouTube videos are usually linked in the description of the YouTube videos, but if not, everything that you need is on Amazon. Amazon is actually a really affordable and quick way to get products to start your own business. If you have decided that you want to source products for your small business, you're going to use Alibaba.com. I can make a dedicated video about how to use Alibaba, and I plan to very soon. Although what I love to do when figuring out what to sell, getting business ideas, etc., is I like to go in this section right here and I like to click on these. And I like these trending product pages because I'm able to just get ideas. You can click on fashion accessories, just a bunch of different types of things that are trending to sell. And you're able to just see everything right here, get some ideas, and really just figure out what you are planning on selling. They have so many options in so many different niche categories that you guys can check on and see. So this is definitely a good source for almost every single niche. So in order to research for some small business inspiration today, we're going to be using TikTok. TikTok is the most used social media app. And if you want to be successful with your small business, I highly suggest you utilize using TikTok. If you don't understand quite how TikTok works or how to create content for your business, I have a video on my YouTube channel showing you guys how I create my content step by step. So I'll link that right here for you guys. Some of these small business ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today will be handmade. Any business where you have handmade products are going to allow you to also have more content to create. Being able to hand make your own products can also start your business off at a low cost as well if you're wanting to hold inventory. With my online business, I have a mix of handmade products with products that I actually design and get manufactured overseas. I do this because the handmade products that I have, I'm able to create content with, which adds to the amount of videos that I'm able to create in order to make that content to market my online business. Small business idea number 1 is soap. There's so much content you can create with soaps, and there's so many different types of soaps that you can make. When I'm doing product research, I like to check out other small businesses to get inspiration. And you guys can just scroll through here. If we click on this one, for example, they have over 500,000 followers. So they also have a YouTube channel, and this is something that I want to draw your attention to really quick. If you go to their YouTube, you guys can see that they're creating content on YouTube. They have over 150,000 subscribers showing their handmade art. And that means that they're monetizing just from their videos. So it's 100% profit of a business just by reposting their TikToks and creating video content of their small business. So going back over to their TikTok, you guys can see this video had almost 5 million views. Therefore, I'm pretty confident that this shop does really well. Small business idea number 2 is lip gloss. If you guys don't already know, I sell handmade lip gloss in my online shop, and I'm able to create a lot of content based around that. So let's take a look at some examples of other small businesses that sell lip gloss. This is actually a lip gloss business that I follow, and she's doing amazing. She almost has 1 million followers on TikTok, and I'm pretty confident that her business is doing amazing as well. You guys can see she creates so many different types of content with her lip gloss that she sells, making this another great small business idea. And what's great about lip gloss is that you can create so many different types of lip gloss. You can get so creative with it, just like you could with the soaps and other products. So there's so many things that you can create that aren't even out yet. Even though you see that there's a lot of other people selling lip gloss or selling things, you guys can also see that each one is so individual and special in their own way. So never let that stop you from actually starting your own. Small business idea number 3 is jewelry and accessories. So I like this small business idea because this can go 2 different ways. You can either order online jewelry from Alibaba and resell it, or you can create handmade jewelry. Really, with whatever you decide to do, there's so much content you can create for this niche. You guys can also see there's so many small businesses selling jewelry across TikTok. One small business owner that I do follow, and that's in the jewelry small business niche, her name is Liv Portillo. She has over 2 million followers and makes amazing content for her jewelry business. She was even featured in Forbes. From what I've read, she also believes in organic reach just like I do by never having to buy ads since we have TikTok. And she grew her business very similar to the way that I've grown mine. Our next small business idea is bags and purses. You are able to find so many different types of bag and purses across Alibaba, and you can even customize and design your own. If you guys are interested in learning about how to manufacture and design your own products from scratch, I have a video about that on my YouTube channel as well, and I'll leave the picture up here and link it somewhere so you guys can watch that one too. There's a lot of different style videos that you guys can do with bags. And I love what this business did with their bag business. They started creating bags for other small business owners. This was so creative, something different. She took this small business niche and she focused it in on business owners, which led to her growth. There's lots of content you can create with bags as well. You just have to be creative, and you can always check TikTok for inspiration as well. Another small business idea is tie-dye items. There's a lot of content you can create with tie-dye items as well, like shirts, hoodies, etc. And people seeing the process on TikTok or wherever you're promoting it can also create a lot of content. Another awesome small business idea is pet accessories. If you have a dog or a cat or any pet for that matter, pet accessories is a great niche to get in as well. You guys know from my second e-commerce store, we have a merch store for my dog's account, and we sell pet accessories there. They always sell really well, and we love to be able to create products for other dog lovers. The pet niche is definitely a great niche to get into if you love animals. Another small business idea is a cake or sweets business. This can be a little tricky with shipping, but it's just another little hurdle that you could get over. If you're passionate about baking or creating sweets, you could do this locally and get your name out locally, deliver to parties, etc. Or you could even start a YouTube channel based around your baking and do both. You could generate money from views that you get of your baking videos, and you could sell them locally or even ship around whatever country you're in. I just like that with the baking niche or with any niche that you can also create YouTube content on, this creates almost like a double business model for you. So you're able to monetize the views and make money off the views and build the brand that way, but then you're also able to sell physical products as well. So my last small business recommendation to you today is going to be gift baskets or bundles. If you guys are familiar with my story, I started selling off lashes, and from lashes, they weren't selling as much as I wanted them to. So then I started putting them in bundles, and that is when my small business took off. When I started bundling products and creating a packaging experience, that is what took my business to earning 6 figures so quickly. I was able to create a lot of content creating these baskets and showing the process of creating the baskets, even though the items in the basket I didn't hand make. You have to realize that people want to pay for value. So if you're showing that you're putting your own time and energy into something, people are more likely to not only trust you, but to want to be inclined to buy from you as well. If you guys have any other small business ideas that you like that I didn't mention in this video, comment yours down below. I know that picking a niche or the initial product to sell is very difficult at first. Every person is so different and has so much to offer. So one niche that might work for one person may not work for the other. You have to really think about what you enjoy in life and what you think you can sell that you'll genuinely enjoy. You never want to get into something that you don't like and that you're just trying to do this for the money, because at the end of the day, it's not about the money, it's about sustaining a business long term. And if you don't genuinely like something or enjoy doing something, the business will not work out. And if you're unsure how to make or do anything that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, all the information that you guys ever need is on YouTube. Whenever you guys have a question really about anything, it's one Google search or YouTube search away. So even if I personally don't have a video about it, I can guarantee you there's one on YouTube already. Otherwise, I always try to answer my comments too, so I can help you out in that regard. But that's just something to keep in mind. If you don't know how to do something, you can always learn how to do it. Don't ever put barriers in front of yourself before you even get started. Even myself, I didn't know how to do anything when I first got the idea of wanting to start a business. I literally sat on YouTube, watched other YouTubers, and learned. And if you guys want even more small business ideas, you guys can just search on TikTok small business ideas, and so many different ideas will pop right up for you guys. Never be afraid of failing, or don't allow yourself to not do something that you want to do just because you are afraid. Nothing is ever a failure. They're always lessons. So if one thing doesn't quite work out for you, there's so many other things you can try as well. Again, you guys, everything you guys need is on my YouTube channel. I have a step-by-step playlist showing you guys different business models to start, different ideas, what worked for me. So if you guys haven't already checked those videos out, make sure you guys spend time watching those, because I know you guys will learn a lot. If you like this video, make sure you guys smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so I can continue to make videos just like this one for you guys. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. I try to answer all of the comments. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for more inspiration and updates. I wish you guys all the best on all of your business ventures, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.